Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Decode with Shekhar. So you might have used comments featured in Google Sheets, but how to find comments in a sheet with huge amount of data can be difficult. So let us see two ways in which you can easily identify the comments and reply to them. First, you can just click on the comments icon on the top right to view all the comments. Now here you can have you want to see all the comments in which you have been tagged, open comments, or the resolved comments. And you can filter them by current sheet or see the comments in all the sheets. So here I can see these are the comments in the sheet and I can reply to the comments right from here. And you can see when I select this comment, it highlights on the sheet, and when I reply, the reply comes over here. And another way is that I can see all the comments which are open right from here, and the sheets basically navigates through all the comments. Similarly, I can just click on these comments to view where they are located and what exactly is the comment. Then I can either edit or delete my comment, and I can also mark them as resolved. So if I mark this comment as resolved, the formatting changes, and if I see only the resolved comments, it will show me one comment which has been resolved. Now another way is that at the bottom of the sheet, you will see the sheet name and you will see this number, which basically highlights the number of comments in the sheet that are yet to be resolved. And when I hover over this, I can either see all the comments or I can see comments by particular cells. In the sheet, when I hover over this, you will see that the comments have been highlighted in light yellow color. But when I move my cursor, they are unhighlighted. Now, if I want to fix that, I can just click on this number once. And now, even if I take my cursor outside that, you'll still see that the comments have been highlighted. So with this way, you can easily identify the comments within a sheet. Now, as soon as I click any of the comment, all the other cells which have been highlighted, they are not highlighted anymore. So to highlight them again, you can again click on this number and you can see all the cells which have comments being highlighted again. So that's it for today. If you found this video useful, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Decode with Shekhar.